Here is the secret to making money work for you as a caregiver. Money isn't just something you earn and spend. It's a tool to shape your life. As a caregiver, your time is precious, but your financial needs are real. That's why learning to use money wisely is essential. In the Legacy Builder Blueprint, we teach caregivers how to earn money online in practical, achievable ways so you can support your loved ones while building the future you deserve. If you're tired of feeling trapped by finances and want to create a flexible daily earning income, the Legacy Builder Blueprint can definitely guide you every step of the way, as it did me. Feel free to contact me now via email, DM, or by visiting my website. You can also just leave a comment on the video and I will gladly show you how you can do it too.